Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Do you know if a stranger has already started following you on internet, random followers could be spammers who utilize all available channels to propagate their content, including Twitter feeds. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. Actually, you cannot remove followers from Twitter app. However, you can log in through any browser and be able to do so. So let's begin. First, open any browser you use. In this video, I'm using Safari. Then open your Twitter site. Now tap on Profile, that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Followers. Choose the follower you want to remove on Twitter. Tap on the three vertical dots that is on the right side of your username. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Remove this follower. A pop-up will appear again. Tap on Remove. So that is how you remove followers on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.